Welcome back to my channel. #WalkWithLan. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na, kaibigan. What we will be cooking today, I call this as coffee fried chicken. So these are the ingredients that we have. Gagamit tayo ng hugas bigas, lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, water, soy sauce, pepper, thyme, salt, tsaka syempre meron tayong 1 cup of coffee, yung brewed coffee, and then chicken. Okay. So after this, we will be combining the ingredients except for the chicken kasi imamarinate natin yung chicken later on at least 30 minutes. We will be combining right now the ingredients except for the chicken. Okay. And then these ingredients will serve para i-marinate natin later on dun sa chicken. I already combined the other ingredients except for the coffee. So what I will do right now is to pour this coffee, the last one. This one is a brewed coffee. Okay. At this point, we will be marinating the chicken. Okay, so we will be transferring the chicken into this bowl. Right? And then afterwards, ilalagay na po natin yung kinumbine nating mga ingredients earlier. And then we will marinate this in 30 minutes. I-ref muna po natin siya. So I already combined the ingredients, including the chicken. So what we will do after this combination is for me to fridge these ingredients. Okay, so pagkatapos nating i-marinate yung chicken ng 30 minutes, ay ipreprito na natin siya ngayon sa mantika. So, pero kailangan po natin malaman kung mainit na yung mantika. Ang tanong, paano nga ba natin malalaman kung mainit na talaga yung mantika? Dapat nagsisisal siya. Okay, it's either lagyan mo siya ng tubig or dito sa demonstration na to, lalagay natin asin. So, pag nilagay natin yung asin, biglang nagsizzle, so ibig sabihin mainit na yan. Okay, so kung pansin nyo po, nagsizzle na siya. So ibig sabihin, mainit na yung mantika. So it's time for us na ilagay na yung chicken. So, nilagay ko na po yung chicken. From time to time, babalik tayo po natin yan. So marinated chicken po yan. Kumukulo po siya. Okay, so luto na po yung marinated yung coffee fried chicken natin. Okay, so medyo siya, luto na po siya. So kukunin ko na siya. Alright. Medyo mainit po. Sabi iba po yung kulay, no? Ayan. Titikman po natin. So ang gagawin po natin ay hahanguin na natin yung chicken, yung coffee fried chicken. Ipopost ko nga po din po pala yung recipe. Okay. Recipe po sa bandang huli ng video na to. Okay. So talagay po natin sa plate with paper towel. Okay.
Shoutout po nga pala sa 100 subscribers po natin. So meron na po tayo 100 subscribers. We attained this as of last night before I slept. Thank you very much po, subscribers. Okay, so that's it.